So Mayur, what do you want to do?
So I'm going to be telling the definitions of the 40 most common SAT vocabulary words.
All right. Did everyone hear what he's going to do? Okay. So I have this list of 40 out of the top 66 that were asked in the last 5 years, SAT vocabulary. Right? Okay. Any random order, right? Okay. So how about auspicious?
Auspicious is unfavorable circumstances.
Rebuke.
Criticize sharply.
Abhorrent.
Abhorrent is disgusting or loathsome.
Rhetoric.
Rhetoric is the study of using language.
Eulogy.
Eulogies are written tribute, usually given in a funeral.
Incisive.
Incisive is sharp or clearly.
Amicable. Amicable.
Oh, amicable, okay. Amicable is friendly.
Venerate.
Venerate is to regard with respect.
Florid.
Florid is flowery.
Impetuous.
Impetuous is violent force.
Dogmatic.
Dogmatic is aggressive assertion of unproven principles.
Idiosyncratic.
Idiosyncratic is peculiar behavior.
Eloquent.
Eloquent is fancy.
Anachronism.
Anachronism is an error in the order of time.
Prosaic.
Prosaic is common or ordinary.
So I can keep going on and on and on, but you saw what he can do, right? We're gonna start. So Mayur, can you please share with the parents what was the process before and after?
So the idea behind it is I have to connect the words to common day images. For example, a good one would be dogmatic. Dogmatic is the aggressive assertion of unproven principles. And I think of a rabid dog, which is very aggressive. And so those are like images I think of for each word. And that helps me like remember important definitions. And I think this will really help me in the future because I'm going to take the SAT in a few months. So.
Right. So before you learned the process, how long did you think this is going to take? And after the process, what's going on?
So before the process, I would just keep on just repeating the word and the definition over and over again until it's in my brain. But like I would probably forget it in a week. But through this, I can remember it forever because I'm making connections to everyday life.
And the duration, using the previous method, how long do you think it would have taken versus now?
I can learn this in 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Thanks a lot, Mayur.